some problems here. The expression a squared over b cubed times a to the negative 2 over b to the negative 3 equals. Since the given expression here has a term that has negative exponents, and a term with a negative exponent in the numerator of a fraction can be rewritten with a positive exponent in the denominator, and a term with a negative exponent in the denominator of a fraction can be rewritten with a positive exponent in the numerator. Therefore, we can write a to the negative 2 over a to the negative 3 as b to the negative 3 as b cubed over a squared, because a to the negative 2 can be rewritten as 1 over a squared, and b to the negative 3 can be written as 1 over b cubed. And then we can flip. That's why we have b cubed over a squared. And now we can multiply that here. So that would be a squared over b cubed times b cubed over a squared. Now we can cancel a squared and b cubed. Therefore, this expression here is just equivalent to 1 over 1, or just simply 1. So the answer here is letter B. If 10% of x is equal to 25% of y, and y equals 16, what is the value of x? So let's write this mathematical sentence into a mathematical equation first. So that is 10% of x equals 25% of y. And we can write 10% as 10 over 100 times x equals 25. 25% can be written as 25 over 100 of y. And then we can write this as 0.10 x equals 0.25 y, since we are given the value of y, which is equal to 16, and so we can just plug in that value here. So that would be 0.10 x equals 0.25 times 16. Okay, and 0.25.16 is just equal to 4. And then we divide both sides by 0.10 to solve for the value of x. Therefore, x is just equal to 4 over 0.10, or 40. So the answer here is letter D. If triangle ABC in the figure above is an equilateral triangle and D is a right angle, find the value of x. Since it is given here that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore every angle in this triangle is equal to 60 degrees. So this one is 60, and this one. And angles ACB here and DCE are vertical angles, therefore they are congruent, and so this DCE is also equal to 60 degrees. Angle D here, or CDE, is a right angle, therefore triangle CDE is a right triangle. Since the measure of this side here, side CD, which is adjacent to angle DCE, so we can use cosine. So this would be cosine of 60 degrees equals adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse here is just equal to x. So that would be 12 over x. So this is cosine 60 degrees equals 12 over x. Then x is just 12 over cosine 60 degrees. Using the calculator, this would give us a value of 24. So the answer here is letter E. Ben is 3 times as old as Samantha, who is 2 years older than half of Michelle's age. If Michelle is 12, how old is Ben? It says here that Samantha is 2 years older than half of Michelle's age. So since Michelle's age is equal to 12, therefore Samantha's age is just half, okay, half of Michelle's age, 2 years older than half of Michelle's age. So this is plus 2. So this is just 6 plus 2, which is just equal to 8. And now it says here that Ben is 3 times as old as Samantha. So Ben's age is just 3 times of Samantha's age. So that would be equal to 24. So the answer here is letter D.